This video will teach you how to make the voice unlock program in mBlock. So first of all, we need to go to the sprites to add a sprite for the lock. And first we will delete the panda. We are not using it in this tutorial. And we click add. And we will search for the lock. So we can type lock here. And we have the lock and unlock icon. So we first add the lock icon. So after that, we will go to here and edit the costumes. Because we would like to have one sprite with two costumes. One is the lock and one is unlock. So here we go to the add costume and we find the lock again, and this time we will go for the unlock icon, and we need to rename the costume. So for this one it's a lock, and for the second one it would be the unlock. And to more specify the status of the lock, so we will add a text at the bottom, lock and unlock. So here we will go to the text tool and we can change the color. I'll make it black, so you can tune your own color. And I will type the word lock, and I will move the position to the center. Alright. So I do the same for the unlock. So I type the T and I tag it and unlock, and I will move it to the appropriate position. Okay. Alright, then we will go back here, press a cross. And we will first set the event when the green flag clicked. So the costume will change, and in order to make sure that the lock is locked at the beginning, so we will go to locks and we first switch the costume to lock. And we should repeatedly let the user to try out the lock until we say the correct word and unlock. So we need to go to control and use the repeat until. And of course, when we will unlock, we will stop is when we will unlock. So here we go to the operator and click the equal sign. And we need to make sure that the costume has changed to the unlock. So here we will choose the costume, and we use the name because we have set the name unlock and locked in the sprite. So here we change from number to name, and we will change to unlock. So if it is locked, so it will repeatedly asking the user to speak the correct hidden message, okay, the unlock code. Okay, and then to notify the user, so we will have the say block first and speak now. Okay, and then we will make use of the AI extension, and don't forget to add the cognitive services AI extension before proceed. So I've already added, so make sure that you add these cognitive services, and then we will recognize the speech in English. Okay, and depends on the length of your message, so you can choose 2 seconds, 5 seconds, or 10 seconds. So to play safe, I choose 5 seconds. Okay, and then we will set after we do the recording and it recognizes the speech, so we would like to compare whether the result is equal to our hidden password, that is the apple tree. So we will use the control and then if then else. Okay, so here we would like to put if it's the speech recognition results equals to apple tree. So first we add the equal from the operators, and then we go back to the AI recognition here. And in order to double check, okay, we will take this box so that we can see the results here to compare. Of course, at the actual app, we don't need it because it will show, okay, you may show it, okay, or not, it depends on you. Okay, so I will go to the speech recognition results and put it here. And we'll put our hidden password apple tree. And because it's a complete sentence, so it will it automatically add a full stop. But yeah, don't forget the full stop if you have more than one word. So full stop, or else it's not the same as the result and you can't unlock it. Okay, so if e equals to apple tree, then we will go to the looks, and then we will switch the costume to unlock. And of course, to notify user, and we will also have a say block here, and we will type unlock. Okay, and if not, okay, of course we should also notify the user that it says incorrectly, and we should let him or her try again. So in the else, we'll put say try again. Okay, however, if you put like this, so it will automatically go back and say speak now, so the user no longer know what's happening. So we use another block here, we not use this one. So we'll move it away and erase it. And we'll use the block here, save for 2 seconds. So that the message will leave for 2 seconds on the screen, and then we could go back to say now and do another recognition. So here we say try again for 2 seconds. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so let's try. Hey Apple. So of course this is incorrect, so it says try again. Apple tree. Apple tree. Alright, you see it's done.